So you want to run Facebook ads, but either don't know where to start or you have a very low budget. Well, in today's video, we're going to be breaking down a low budget Facebook ad strategy, exactly how to implement the campaign, what audiences to go after, how to structure your ads, so that way you can spend roughly $500 and see upwards of $2,500, $3,000 in returns. And today we are wasting no time, so let's get into it. So first things first, if you're new here, my name is Chappell, and we advise on over $200 million in ad spend across Facebook and TikTok ads products. And we also have an agency where we manage 6, 7, and 8-figure brands, as well as Fortune 500. And we have a training company where we teach thousands of students like yourself on how to actually manage the marketing in-house and be able to scale successful Facebook ads, as well as a tracking company for better ad tracking with Facebook and TikTok. So definitely make sure to sign up at surge.com. All right, so here we're in an ad account where we spent roughly $461 and made back roughly $2,700 at a 5.66x ROAS, which is pretty incredible because if you're only spending a few $100s in a few days and you're able to generate thousands of sales on the back end, it can be a very profitable campaign for you. And this is all done by building up Instagram engagers and then retargeting those people, as well as creating lookalikes around that. This is a good strategy, especially if you're in the clothing space or if you're selling items where you can promote it on Instagram and then be able to leverage lookalike audiences. And I'm going to be breaking down how to set up this campaign at a very low budget, achieve really low cost results, and see insane return ad spend like a 7x ROAS, even in 2023. So once you're in your ads manager, what you're going to do is you're going to hit create campaign, and you're going to be given a few options here. And if your goal is to get sales, then we're definitely going to want to use sales for conversions. Traffic is going to get you traffic. Awareness is going to get you awareness. It's pretty straightforward. You're going to get what you ask for. So if you want to get sales, you want to optimize for that objective. So we'll hit continue. And if you're given an option to do Advantage Plus, go ahead and select manual. So that way you can customize it yourself and have the best settings possible. We're just going to name this testing. Make sure to choose your purchase event. And then we're going to set our daily budget to $5 for testing purposes and create multiple audiences around this. Now, if you already have an Instagram audience where you're getting Instagram reel views, if you're able to generate followers and you already have people engaging with your Instagram page, it's very easy to create a high quality audience around this because you've already done the hard work of generating all of the views. And so therefore you can create what is called a lookalike around that. And a simple example of this is Secret Sevens has 39.2 thousand followers on Instagram. They're getting loads of engagements on their actual post, 21,000 likes, 4,000 likes, 3,000 likes, 6,000 likes. And you're able to retarget this exact traffic that you built up on your actual page. And this is a really great audience that can generate a really good return on ad spend. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go to Ads Manager. And we're going to go to Create New, Custom Audience. And you're simply going to select Instagram account. And you'll create anybody who's engaged with your professional account over the last 365 days and name it Instagram 365-day audience. You'll create this audience and then you'll simply hit Create New, Create Lookalike, and you'll search up that Instagram audience. You'll select that Instagram audience and then you're simply just going to select 1% and choose the region, which in our case would just be the United States. Yours might be the UK or wherever you're located if you're selling in multiple countries. We'll choose 1% because it's the most qualified audience. It's the closest related to our audience of getting people to engage with us on Instagram, and we'd hit Create Audience. What's great about this is we can do a $5 daily budget and start seeing results from this if we know how to structure the right campaign. And so we'd simply name this Instagram Lookalike Audience 1%. And then we'd be able to go ahead and have all placements selected and then go to next. And what's really crazy is with the ads, you can keep them very simple and see incredible results if you know what the right targeting is and if you know how to reach the right audience and are able to structure your ads in a simple enough way for people to convert. One way of doing so in the clothing space is using Flatlays. Believe it or not, Flatlays are one of the most simple ways to be able to get content without having to hire models, without having to do these big productions. And there's a really good low budget strategy because if you have the item on hand, you can take a photo yourself of just having it laying on the ground. You can leverage Canva to remove the background and put it on a white background. Just like you see here, it's a flat lay. It's being laid down on the floor, photos being taken, it's being uploaded into Canva, removing the background, and there you have your flat lay. And these can generate upwards of 3, 5, 7x ROAS like I was just showing you before. And it's super simple, it's nothing fancy, and this is a low budget strategy to allow you to generate incredible results. Most of these big brands have the big budgets to be able to do enough testing, do lots of shoots, be able to launch video creatives. Well, you can simply make a carousel of your different variations of clothing or your items, upload them in a very simple way where they're able to generate lots of sales. And it says, are you looking for something new and exciting? Our new and improved stylish products are here to shake things up. Very simple copy. Once again, nothing crazy here in terms of brand. It says click the link below, stay cozy and stylish. This is very replicable in terms of getting sales. Grab yours, shop now. Believe it or not, some of the most simple Facebook ads can generate the most insane results. So if you're on a tight budget with your Facebook ads, then I highly recommend keeping it this simple. And believe it or not, you could very well see a good return on ad spend. And then we have another video here, which is very similar. Check out our new and improved hoodies and shirts. It's a simple video highlighting the items once again on a flat lay. This is laying it on concrete in this case. They're filming with an iPhone. Nothing special here, and it's generating incredible results. So yes, you can have video assets and have image assets in a very quick way just by filming in a couple of seconds, uploading the video, adding in your copy, and being able to see incredible results. It says click the link below, and we are literally seeing a 5.93x ROAS retargeting the current Instagram engagers, and then also a lookalikes of 1 to 2% of the people who engaged at a 7x ROAS. What's even better is after that, and we get some customers, around 300 customers who've purchased, we're able to do customer list lookalikes, which is essentially uploading a list of your customers from Shopify and being able to create a lookalike around that. Now you might say, Chase, I have no Instagram followers, I have no Instagram engagement, I'm completely fresh. How is this strategy going to work for me? It's a good question. Let's say you don't have those things. So what you can do is create a new audience. And rather than doing lookalikes, you would simply do interest. So you'd scroll down, keep it at $5 daily. And let's say you're selling clothing. Well, you can do hoodies. Let's target hoodies, a hoodie apparel. It's a large audience. There's definitely a lot of people to target here. And simply create upwards of 5 different interests, unique interests in each audience. So this would be hoodie apparel audience. And then we'd have our video ad in our flat lay. We duplicate this again and simply go after the next interest, which in our case could be clothing. And then we just remove hoodie. And you can see we can copy this, paste it at the top. And it's a very simple strategy. We have multiple audiences, all at 5 daily each, spending 15 daily. And once we start seeing results, we can be able to increase spend subtly. But with $500, you can quite literally see a 5, 6, 7x return, meaning thousands of dollars on the back end, which is really amazing and can really help, especially when you're just starting out. So there you have it. I just set up a low budget Facebook ad campaign that was super simple to create. It's not overly complicated. You can use Flatlays. You can shoot these videos yourself. You can have your product on a simple background. And in a lot of cases, you don't have to spend these big budgets on all these productions and get all of these amazing branded assets, which it does help ultimately down the line, but as a beginner, you can be very scrappy and see amazing results like this. And these are the exact strategies that we've helped brands that were just coming in to be able to get to 6 and 7 figures in sales over time with their Shopify store. Just like Curtis, who started with us at zero, who's at $2 million a year and just did a $100,000 sales day, all from organic videos on TikTok. Or Emiliano here, who has done hundreds of thousands of dollars per month in sales at the age of 17, which is absolutely incredible. And in my Ads Mastery one-on-one mentorship, we show you exactly the TikTok organic, the Instagram organic strategies to sell out your store with no paid ads, and even how to leverage paid ads once you're ready to start spending money with Facebook, Instagram, TikTok to be able to scale up to do hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, if not millions per month. And if you're interested in joining that program, make sure to DM me the word mentor at @RealChaseChappell on Instagram, and I'm happy to answer any questions you'd like, or feel free to click the link below this video to apply and speak with somebody on my team. So I hope this video helped you a ton. Once again, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell. Cheers and bye y'all.